Hello and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find sum using a calculator. So we are going to evaluate these two sums in a calculator. So let's go ahead and do the first one. So first, let's pull out this calculator. So now the first thing we are going to do is we are going to get that summation notation from the calculator. So I'm going to go to math. So that's where you find the summation notation. Now, if you scroll down, go all the way down here. So this is the summation notation. Now you can either hit enter, or once you get into math, then you can just hit 0 and it will bring up that summation notation. So here in our question, we have k equals 2. So we don't have to use the letter k. We can use this variable x. Okay, so x equals 2 and the upper limit is 5. So I'm going to go up here using that arrow and then 5, and then I'll get into this box here and then type the expression that we have. So we have k times k plus 2. So it is x. So whatever variable you use here, use the same variable here. Okay, so x times x plus 2, close that parenthesis, and then hit enter. So that gives us the sum. So let's look at the second problem. The second problem that we have is the lower limit is 1, upper limit is 17, it's 9k over k factorial. So let's go ahead and do that. So go to math, then to get summation notation, you just hit 0, and then x equals, so the lower limit was 1, and then go to the upper limit, which is 17, and then get into this box. Now to type fraction, just to make it easy, so that you can use parentheses if you want, but just to make easy, TI-84 calculator should have a template, fraction template, and you can use that template. Okay, so it is, you find it here. Okay, so you go to alpha and go to y equals, and then the first one, so numerator over denominator. So that is the template that we are going to use, or that is the form of the fraction that we are going to put here. So I'll just hit enter, and it gives us this template. Okay, so in the numerator we have 9k, so 9x, and in the denominator we have k factorial, or x. Now to get factorial, go to math and then go to probability. So you can just scroll to the right, and then number 4 is the factorial. So just hit number 4 and then we get factorial. Now if we go out of that parentheses and hit enter, that gives us the sum. So this is how you can use your TI calculator to find the sum when you're given this summation notation. Okay, the first one, actually you can just list them and then add them by hand, but here this one is a little bit more complicated to do that by hand, so we can use this calculator to evaluate this. That's all for this video.